we've got our fruit for thought for the month of July. So if you want to go on a Hawaiian Luau with us, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's hanging out with my mom because she's cooking dinner, hoping for some scraps, which she just gave him some spinach by accident. Just dropped quite a bit on the floor, so he's very happy. But if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Fruit for Thought is a monthly subscription. It's no longer focused around just a fruit or fruit group, but there's all different themes, and it's been really fun lately. It's always been fun, but I like kind of the branching out to the different themes because we've had some really fun themes, like the malt shop one or old-fashioned soda shop last month.
Ooh, they should have done like something instead of like Hawaiian Luau, something for like 4th of July.
Well, next year. So she does have like little contests to name the
Red, white, and blue.
You know, like she'll say like, oh, in the upcoming months. So she's already chosen her fall boxes. All right. So Hawaiian Luau is the theme, and the August theme is strawberry lemonade.
Ooh, cool! I love strawberries and lemons.
I just put this down so you can get into it.
Oh,
okay. Here is your sneak peek. Chloe's going to pull stuff out, and I will try to tell you where it's from before she pulls out the next thing. It's kind of like a game.
What's this? Oh, it's a bobblehead.
Cool. So that's the Fun Hula Girl bobblehead, which you can stick to your dashboard desk or wherever you want to make you think of being at a luau. So I think, is that maybe one of the sun? No, I don't think it's a sun one. No, it's not a sun reflector one. It just has an adhesive base and you can stick it anywhere.
Oh, it's a shower gel. Pineapple and kiwi smoothie shower gel.
So this is by Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and it says gentle on your skin and aids relaxation, sending you to the tropics.
I see it all taste off first, Mom.
Okay, got nothing else going on.
That's correct. Okay. Oh my god!
That is delicious smelling. Okay. So here is how that looks. It's a nice big old guy.
Oh. It's a hula rub.
So it says, when you're longing for that secret award-winning Polynesian flavor, the sweet and savory Hawaiian all-purpose seasoning blend by the Spice Lab will bring a delicious Hawaiian Islands taste to your grilled fare.
It says brown sugar, soy sauce, ginger, sesame combined with sweet, savory rub to create a no-go-to blend.
Sounds good. I'm going to grill some chicken with that this weekend.
Maybe I should take a taste.
Okay, let me open this so that you don't. Sesame seeds and let's see what in there.
Reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. Kind of tastes like
Oh, it's got some heat in there.
Are you getting that same taste though that I'm tasting?
I don't know, the sweetness, you mean?
Yeah, it kind of tastes like coconut curry.
Definitely some sweet, but some nice kick.
Yeah, it has like a little bit of, I don't know why, it tastes kind of like, it kind of tastes like a little bit of curry. Like, is that just me? Like a sweeter curry?
I don't know.
That's good. I don't know if I'm just stupid, but like.
Oh my god, look at how cute that is.
This is Mom's heaven. She loves gummies.
This is, I love gummies.
I claim the shark one though.
So this is by Forever Sweet Candy Kebabs. Look at how cute that is.
I claim the shark one.
Okay, you claim the shark one and I get the rest?
I mean, I want to split some of them. Like,
Oh, okay.
I'm not getting all those. I'm just saying,
Alright.
I claim this and this.
Mm.
Because I love
That
pineapple
is.
rings too. Spicy mango and spicy pineapple actually taste pretty good. We got that in like a chocolate once.
That is by Cobble NTZ Chocolates, it says. On the back here it says,
This?
no, this.
Oh,
Forever Sweet Candy Kebabs.
I got a cute bracelet.
You got?
Yeah, I'm stealing this. Don't you know?
Okay. Let's show them what it looks like. This is the dolphin anklet, not bracelet.
Hmm.
Can you take it off so we can see?
Still tasting some pepper. It's really good.
And that's an anklet, not a bracelet.
Oh, and fudge.
Mm-hmm. So we have
Oh, I can read
a
off the
variety
ones.
box of 12 pieces, one of each
There's-
flavor.
There's
Fudgelets by Hawaiian Fudge Company.
There's
Okay.
milk chocolate, strawberry guava, dark chocolate, Maui mud pie, passion fruit orange guava, hapa cookie brownie, lily koi cheesecake, Hawaiian wedding cake, halupa coconut pie, turtle, banana nut bread, lava flow, which is coffee and cherry, and chocolate macadamia nut. What do you want to try?
Let's see. How about
And it's not going to be the milk chocolate.
how? Let me see the flavors.
I want to try something interesting. So not the milk chocolate.
What about the lava flow then,
sure.
or the Hawaiian wedding cake?
Sure, let's try the Hawaiian wedding cake.
Okay. So here's the packaging, and here's on the back. Look, here is how it looks taking it out.
They kind of look like those wax
And-
gummy bears that you like heat up in your tart
It
burner,
would be this one right here.
doesn't it?
Oh, maybe a little bit. You should have brought a knife. All right, I guess you take a bite. All right, and then I'll take a bite.
All right.
Pineapple in there.
I'm tasting coconut.
Maybe some coconut too. I'm definitely tasting some pineapple.
I think I got more coconut than pineapple.
You want to taste another one? That one's great. The lava one. Which one do you want?
Let's try the lava.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm definitely, there was a chunk of coconut in there.
Yeah.
That's in my mouth right now. So this is the lava one.
I like this one a lot better.
Mm-hmm.
The other one had like a strange aftertaste, didn't it?
This one is coffee and cherry. That's good. You want to try the passion fruit one now?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
So the passion fruit has like a yellow, a pink, and an orange. Very good. Really good.
I
Have
kind
that
of want
from Papa.
I kind of want to try that shark gummy.
Right this minute.
Nah, I can wait.
Okay.
But if you eat it,
I won't eat it.
all right. This
Okay.
tastes very good.
So that is our Hawaiian Luau box, and great choices, Pam. Totally love everything. How
Hey
about
mom.
you?
Yeah. Hey mom. I'm going from sweet to savory.
Okay. All right. So that's all we have for you for now. Next month is the strawberry lemonade. You can buy just a single box, so you don't have to buy a subscription. Their website's down below. I don't have any kind of discounts or codes, or I'm not an affiliate or anything else like that. Just great box. It's a great family fun box too, because there's so many different kinds of items in there. So, you know, if you're looking for a family friendly box, this is a great one. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.
I need to eat this. I need to.
No.